impromptu visit, so come on in. Hey, this is where we make ourselves pretty and put our pretty white caps on when we're processing food, and take the hair off our body and make sure our smile's pretty. Come on in. So, this is, as I said, impromptu because we have dirty dishes in this sink. We have fresh kale stems that we take out when we make our fresh kale chips. And we make sauces over here with all of our ingredients. Every ingredient in the store is organic, organically sourced. And we are now certified organic, which makes us really excited. So this big machine back here is a dehydrator where we make, we dehydrate and dry our foods. And these are packages of fresh packed kale, getting ready to go out to our clients here in the Tampa Bay area. And there's a pretty window, and look at the nice blue floor. We made our kitchen so we could be happy workers. Wow, what you're gonna find in here is a big bag that holds it's like, is it 24? How many kales come into a case? 24? So we have 48 heads of kale, triple washed in the sink, and then it is the stems removed, placed in this nice food approved bag, ready for the sauce, pre-made, ready to rub and massage and put it in the dehydrator. That's the secret there. Have everything ready to go. Oh, and as a really surprise, here is secret sauce number 9 and 10 of the next flavor coming up, salt and vinegar. So we're up to recipe number 10, trying to find what's best. Isn't that exciting? Yep. Oh, and then, of course, we like to eat healthy and raw, so I've always got my hand into the grain-free granola bars. Yummy. My favorite snack. Oh, more kale. More kale ready to be washed. See you soon. That's about it. And look forward to sharing more with you as we get along with our YouTube channel.